What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Can we better just wear my caps a little bit? Maybe no. Right, so cool. Hi everybody, my name is Sheary and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well, super well, cause you are awesome. If this is your first time to come here, I'm Sheary and please subscribe to my channel to get more info about life as an ENTJ self-taught programmer. So I have been working as a self-taught developer for about 4 or 5 years now. And I'm fine, I'm just a bit chilly here. Yeah, so I have been working as a self-taught developer for about 4 to 5 years now. Maybe you might think that I'm just like a self-taught learner, like I'm still learning, but I have been working as a developer for about 4 to 5 years now, and I love it. So today I'm going to talk about my future goals as a self-taught programmer and what I think in the tech industry as a self-taught developer. So without further ado, let's get into it. So like everyone has different goals when it comes to programming. Some people wanted to work for big companies, some people wanted to work for Google, Facebook, Amazon and stuff. I mean, they're a big company, they're like the dream company of every programmers. And some people wish to have their own agency, web development agency, and others will wish to start a startup, build a tech company. I'm not really into like finding a jobs or anything anymore because I think it's good for long terms. I don't know, because I'm like in my mid-20s right now, and I think if I keep working for others until I'm like 35, and then I don't want that. Like it's just a waste of time. Like when you're like 35 and then you're like, I have no other things but I'm still working for others. I don't know, it's just my personal opinion. Like I hate working for others since the beginning of my life. No, not really. Just kidding. Yeah, so probably my future goal for self-taught as a programmer, probably start my own startup. I'm currently building one at the moment, but just by myself at the moment. We'll see how it goes in the future. I will let you guys know what the startup is about. It's pretty exciting, and I love building startup, to be honest, because you got lots of things to learn. It's so exciting. Like you will fail, but it's just fun. Instead of working for others, like you just keep doing the same thing over and over again. Like the downside of that is you are all alone. Like you are one-man army at the moment, so you are the boss of your life, of your business, and you're gonna figure it out everything yourself, and you have no one else to ask for advice. Well, you can ask for advice on people if you meet some mentors or experienced people, but most of the time you're just gonna figure it out yourself. Like you have no idea what you're doing, you have no idea you are doing the right things or not. I'm still in the very early age, in the very early stage of my startup journey. I still have lots of things to learn, but I love the journey. And yeah, that's my goals as a self-taught programmer after working as a programmer for about 4 to 5 years now. And yeah, so if you are a self-taught programmer, you have to get a job first. You have to get a job in the beginning to have some experience like working for others. You have to have experience in some company first before you can build your own company, because you need experience is the key. And then I feel like after working for a few years as a programmer, and then now I'm working on my own thing, like it's actually much more useful than not working for others at first and then building a business, because I got the experience of what is needed to build for my software. What is the business requirement for my software and apps. So I think it's really important to get a job first, to get a programming job first, and then see how it goes. I'm not the perfect person to ask for advice because I haven't success in building my startup yet. I'm still in the very early stage, but I've learned a lot. Like I built one before, but I fell, and then I just, like, the thing is, like, you will not fail unless you tell yourself you have failed. So if you feel like you are so tired of something, or like you feel like you have failed, but actually you haven't failed yet. You just gotta tell yourself you haven't failed yet. So this is just a short video about what I'll be doing in the future as a self-taught programmer. Like I said before, everyone has different goals. Some people wanted to work for big companies, some people wanted to start their own web agency, some people wanted to start a startup, or some people wanted to become an educator, a teacher, a coding teacher. Who knows? There are many career options. Just go anywhere first. Start somewhere, and then you go from there. Yeah, there are lots of opportunities out there in tech, and things might change, future might change, so you never know. But anyway, so I'll be launching my Self-Taught Nations store soon. I'll be selling like I'll keep you guys updated, so, and follow my Self-Taught Nation stores on Instagram and get update for that. I'll see you guys soon, and this is just a short video, and I hope you guys learned something from me, and I will talk to you guys soon, very soon in the future. Keep striving, keep going, and keep being awesome. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Good luck and all the best for you guys. I love you guys. And by the way, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and to get more updates from me. I mean, why not? Why not? Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.